So effective today, Anthropic just part ways with all third-party harnesses, particularly the one that was named as OpenClaw. The truth is, you'll still be able to use OpenClaw with Claude Code API keys, but you'll be charged on pay-as-you-go rates. And that is to say, you're going to incur a lot of costs. So in this video, I'm going to show you an alternative where you're able to use OpenClaw, but with your own locally sourced modules. And those models, we are going to access them through Ollama. So let me show you what I mean. So the first thing you do is head on to Ollama's platform. I'll have a link in the description below. All of the links I'll be using today will be in the description below. So you just select a model pretty much. Well, you need to have Ollama installed. So you just come back here, copy this link and run it on your terminal. I've already installed it, so I'm not going to do that again. So what you do is head on to models and select any model that is really good at running code, right? Now, the more parameters that a model has, it means the more effective it is at doing complex tasks. But that also translates that you will use a lot of hardware if you are installing it locally on your own device. So I'm going to look up a model here. Let me just try this one, Kimi. I've heard it's really good, but this is my first time actually using it. So we select this one. And I love that it has a cloud flag here because we'll be using it on the cloud, right? So you just copy it over here like this and open your terminal, PowerShell, and simply paste it in here. Now, this is going to install Kimi for you, connecting Kimi on cloud. Definitely. So since I already have signed in, you need to sign into your Kimi, your Ollama account. Sorry. So once you head on here, you have to create an account. I have already created an account, so that is why you are seeing this over here. Now, once you have an account created, a short QR code, a short link will be pasted here where you can click on, and it is going to trigger it into your browser, and simply you can log in from there. So once you are fully logged in, you're going to see something like this here. Once you're logged in, you can rerun this command again and you see an interface such as mine where you can send a message and it is going to trigger response from Kimi on the cloud. Right, so once you have this done, we need to install OpenClaw itself, right? So I'll have it linked in the description below, like I said earlier on. So you just come on here and copy this command over here and run that one to on your terminal. So I'm going to open a different terminal here and paste it. So we need to go through the installation process as always. So you just click enter to select yes, and it is going to scaffold OpenClaw and install it, OpenClaw, sorry, and install it onto our machine. Now, speaking of OpenClaw, I just put out a video. OpenClaw is primarily a leak of Claude codes harness that they mistakenly pushed onto their GitHub repo. So if you're interested in it, you can check it in the description box. I'm sure there's a card popping up right now where you can click on to take you to that video. So let's wait for OpenClaw to fully install and then we can proceed on to the next part. So for some reason the video ended prematurely, so we're going to pick up where it left off. So you can paste this code again. It's going to spin up OpenClaw and install it if you don't already have it. But if you do, you see something like this. Now, as you're seeing over here, these are the modules that are you're currently using, the ones that are linked with your cloud accounts and as well as the ones that have been saved locally. Now, I have this one saved locally. I downloaded it from the Ollama platform. You can do the same if you want, but primarily what I'm going to be using is Kimi, which is the cloud model. So I'm going to proceed on by clicking enter. So now I'm going to keep running through them all by clicking enter. Right, so now it's running a quick update of OpenClaw with the terms that we've accepted so far. Okay, so now we have OpenClaw fully spun up and with the updates applied as well. One more thing to note though, once you see this over here like this and the web interface here, you could simply just click it. What you do by clicking is you click control and you click the link itself. It's going to open it in your browser like you are seeing here. Let's give it about a minute to finish up and let's see how far we are going with this. So we can simply just type a command and see what it does with it. So what model are you? And we expect that OpenClaw is able to tell what model this is. Okay, so the gateway practically disconnected, as you are seeing over here, not connected to gateway, message not sent. So ideally, at this point, you are practically set up and ready to use OpenClaw. So let me know some of the incredible things you're able to do with it. And of course, do remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. If you face any error or need help setting up anything, I'm on standby to help you. As you're seeing, even the gateway is set up here as well. So let me know how well it goes for you. And of course, like I had said before, the subscription is very important because we need it at this point. I don't know if you can tell, but we just passed the 500 mark and we need your subscriptions to be able to move forward. So like the video, comment, and see you in the next one.